Hi, I'm Dr. Tanu, PCheck's founder. With me, I have Dr. Raghav. He's a neurologist from SSB Hospital and working in many other esteemed hospitals like Max. We are here for a very special conversation as we see AI is everywhere, like everywhere, from our bathrooms to our drawing rooms to our living room to our conversations. So, Dr. Raghav told me that I want to really discuss, can doctors and AI, are they same, or can they coexist? So yes.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, AI is everywhere now, and the more and more we progress with our medical field, with our day-to-day life,
Yeah, sure.
everywhere we have AI. So,
Yeah.
uh, yeah, coexisting together, when it's a tough question, I believe we have to understand that the mechanism by which AI works and the mechanisms by which we doctors work, you
We
being a
doctors.
doctor, is very different. So, if we see the mechanical part or the machinery part,
Right.
maybe I asked AI this, so you can compare the human brain to the AI brain. Like, AI will have a input and output, right? So it'll have a machinery where which you tell AI the command and it'll
Sub
generate something, you know?
prompt. Yeah, yeah.
But how we are different? Again, so many questions these days we are asking AI. You can ask AI again. So we have a limbic system, right? We
Yeah.
have emotions. Emotions means that we are empathetic, most of us. And doctors, because so many years of study, we see the patients.
Experience.
So there's an emotional component because of our limbic system that we have, which a machine won't, which any computer won't. So that is how we are different, that we are operating in two parallel circuits.
Right.
And these circuits can switch over. Like, at times we use our prefrontal cortex, we use our motor memory, at times we use our emotional memory, right? So here, uh, this is both beneficial also, and this is a fault also, because of this, so many mental health problems are there.
For sure.
Anxiety, depression, you can't expect an AI to have anxiety, depression.
So
So
they
yeah,
don't have a fatigue syndrome.
they don't have a fatigue syndrome.
Yeah.
And yeah, their machine will keep working and probably better than us also. So yeah, AI can be better than us, but the empathetic component, that
No
has to
empathy.
be there for a doctor, I believe, especially. So that is where they really differ.
Sort of really different.
Yeah.
So now we know कि AI की और human की anatomy कितनी different है.
Hmm.
AI can just be a machine, and we being as human and doctors, we have a lot of experience, and that's how we are empathetic and we know
Correct.
how to really counsel a patient. But do you feel, Dr. Raghav, can AI really take over medical industry and we are as doctors? How do you really feel about that in this world?
It's very difficult to say, actually. The way we get influenced, no, by whatever is happening these days, the reels that we watch, the studies that we see, the AI generated algorithms that we see, it feels that this is going to happen so much sooner than expected.
Expected, yeah.
And AI has a lot of advantages,
Yeah.
right? So being a neurologist, I mean, there are genetic epilepsies, right? There are genes associated to migraines. Working, like you told me, SSB Hospital, Max Hospital, I have seen maybe 80 to 90% of neurology, but there are some rare cases that maybe they are there in a periphery or maybe in the US, which every doctor is not exposed to. Every doctor won't see every patient, no. So some rare diseases which is not there in practical for us, it is there in theory. So if it is there in theory, it is there for AI. So
Great.
obviously the rare things, the theoretical part, and some things that we can't diagnose, with the right medical help, we can use AI and we can use it as our partner, and it can help us, right?
So you're
But
saying AI to be used as an intern.
yeah, you can say that. I mean, there is this concept, I read about it recently, that we are in the phase of this generative AI,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So generative AI means that आपने command दिया, मैं बोलूँगा, like, again, you're a physician yourself, so
Right.
I'll tell you कि AI मेरे को बताओ और tell me diabetes के 10 causes.
बिल्कुल.
Or if I have a patient with diabetes and you have a blood sugar of 200, you tell me the treatment options. ठीक है. So AI will tell you, and again with errors, I'll tell you the errors. So AI will tell you metformin hai, you have insulin, you have DPP4 inhibitors, you have SGLT2, you have injectables, you are oral. It'll give you all the options. So one very interesting thing I did was, मैंने AI को बोला ना, आप रैंक कर दो 1 2 3. I have a patient with diabetes. आप रैंक कर दो 1 2 3 4 5. What is the best number 1 2 3 4 in that order? So what it did was it told me metformin, insulin, GLP-1 ये जो भी है, and commonly हम लिखते हैं Janumet, Istamet, all these gliptins,
Yes,
DPP4
yes.
inhibitors. It was not there on the list. ठीक है.
Oh.
So then I asked AI, okay, but I had a patient with high blood sugars, but I prescribed this because I learned this in my medicine. It was not there in your list. The best 5 medicines. So is it out? And उससे पहले उसने sulfonylurea जो Amaryl, Glimepiride
Right,
उससे पहले
right.
लिखा हुआ था.
Right.
Then I asked कि you have written this before. So then AI tells us, oh no, sorry, and very quickly it will accept its errors. Okay, so AI tells us, no, we missed that drug, and now there is a new list as per what question you have asked. So AI modified its answers. कि
Yeah.
पहले metformin है, फिर insulin है, फिर एक दो drugs है, and fourth number पे what you have asked, it's there now. So now here is an updated list. So it
And
is
if you didn't know about that, it won't answer it.
exactly.
obviously, yeah.
So that is why it is very important for patients. कि अगर पेशेंट ने बोला यार मेरे डॉक्टर ने ये दवाई लिख दी, पेशेंट ने सर्च किया, उसको तो वो 5 में दिखी नहीं, then he'll be doctor is prescribing wrong medicine. So then this generative AI, you know, that it is generating a response based on what we are saying. This is still in process. क्योंकि whatever data AI क्या कर रहा है, ह्यूमन डेटा ही तो बना रहे हैं ना, मतलब
Actually,
हमारी
actually.
स्टडीज देख रहा है कितने साल पहले, एंड इट इज प्रोसेसिंग इट फॉर अस. सो जनरेटिव AI में कि इफ इट इज just telling us facts जो हमने ही लिखे हैं, so there is a chance that it goes wrong because he hasn't seen the patient.
Of course,
Right.
there is a chance. I mean, human error हो सकता है, तो AI error.
Exactly, AI error भी होगा.
Yeah.
Then there is this agentic AI. अब agentic AI क्या है? Again, I've read about it. It's not there yet. Over a period of time, this generative AI will evolve into a sort of a humanoid person. कि मतलब ये agent बन जाएगा. You know, like a
Oh,
person,
yeah.
like an intern. कि it'll have so many inputs from you, me, other doctors, common population, that it'll start behaving more like a human. So when we enter that phase, obviously there'll be errors. ये तो समझ में आता है, there'll be errors. But then you compare to about 1,000 doctors, it won't be on number 1, it won't be on number 1,000, but कहीं medium में होगा वो. So be very
Interesting.
careful. And yeah, humans also have their errors. ये भी है.
For sure, for sure. I'm
So
sure.
like,
But AI के errors can be more tough because बाकी patients को क्या समझाए? अब वो उनको अगर चैट जीपीटी में कुछ समझ आ गया और फिर हम बता रहे हैं कि ये नहीं है बिकॉज वी आर टेलिंग फ्रॉम मेडिकल बैकग्राउंड,
Correct.
एक्सपीरियंस, पेशेंट्स. अब चैट जीपीटी ने पेशेंट नहीं ट्रीट किया है, मतलब जितने भी थाउजेंड ऑफ पेशेंट हमने
बिल्कुल,
किए हैं.
yes.
सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर विल बी अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एंड द
You're
problem.
right.
That's interesting because how AI can actually make errors and that those errors can be a difficult thing for a
yes.
medical profession.
Hmm.
Interesting. So what do you feel, you know, जिन डॉक्टर्स को AI आता होगा क्या वो सुपीरियर होंगे, या जिन्हें नहीं आता होगा, मतलब how does it come to you? Like there is a young
Yeah,
population coming
that
up.
can be there for the young population. You're right, because see, we know our consultants. हमने भी कॉलेज में जो पीजी करी हम देखते थे कि यार आज ओपीडी बड़ी हैवी थी, मतलब वी हैव सीन लाइक 10 पेशेंट्स, 20 पेशेंट्स, 50 पेशेंट्स, हद से हद देख ली, वी हैव सीन 100 पेशेंट्स इन अ डे, एंड वी आर लाइक कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा यार, वी
Right,
कांट डू इट.
right,
एंड
right.
दैट टाइम क्या होता था, देयर इज अ पेपर, देयर इज अ पेन, हम पेन पे लिख रहे हैं, अब पेपर पे लिख रहे हैं और हो गया.
बिल्कुल
ना?
बिल्कुल.
So there is a fatigue. We get tired. We get physically tired. We get emotionally tired talking to a patient. We get mentally tired using our brains कि ये क्या दवाई किसमें कैसे देनी है, and how to manage a patient. So that is not there in AI, right? So AI will be like, अगर तुम उससे डेटा पूछ रहे हो 1 पेशेंट के लिए अभी, और 6 घंटे बाद उससे 2000 पेशेंट के लिए भी वो डेटा पूछ रहे हो, it will tell you the same, right?
Yes.
So the
yes.
component of fatigue is not there. So I believe your question is very valid and very right. कि अगर newer doctors है, right? Obviously, if
Or
they
there's a new
complete their
generation coming up.
हाँ,
yeah.
they complete their education अच्छे से, they know the knowledge of the subject, and I believe और streams में भी होता ही होगा. But if they know their subject very well, फिर वो AI use करे as an aid, you know, like their
Right.
intern,
Like a
कि मतलब somebody who can help them. तो वो rare diseases में help करेगा, वो मे बी सम एक्सटेंट में डिसीजन फटीग में हेल्प करेगा, थोड़ा ट्रीटमेंट में इट कैन गाइड,
Yeah.
है ना,
Diagnostics में help कर सकता है maybe.
डायग्नोस्टिक्स
They
या
may
दैट
not
आल्सो
remember all the
देयर,
diagnostic to that disease. Maybe
करेक्ट,
help in that. Yeah.
diagnostics bhi ab, there was this, so I was at a heart institute and there was a cardiologist, a very young patient, she had a TIA is transient ischemic attack, and पता नहीं उसने कुछ देखा होगा कि we did the carotid ultrasound, हमने neck vessels का ultrasound करके देखा, so very मतलब radiologist had reported it as normal, but she was having symptoms and AI ने उसमें एक छोटा सा कोई I don't know plaque दिखा दिया non significant सा, so everybody was so confused कि एक तो इतनी कम एज पे ऐसे symptoms नहीं, नॉन स्मोकर, नॉन अल्कोहलिक, एक्सरसाइजिंग फीमेल,
Right.
नो साइकाट्रिक हिस्ट्री भी कि उसको ये पैनिक अटैक होगा, बट वी आर वेरी सरप्राइज कि यार ये प्लाक क्यों मिल गया, इट वाज वेरी क्रिटिकल फॉर अस टू नो दिस बिकॉज उसे ब्लड थिनर स्टार्ट करने थे, राइट. So one was AI reporting, one was doctors reporting, but it was an ultrasound that eventually we got an MR angio कराया. That time human one, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ नहीं निकला. So when we saw that clear vessel morphology, so then we were like यार AI ने कैसे गड़बड़ कर दी? So probably it picked up some artifact जो उस टाइम पे उसने
Obviously,
देखा.
that's why we are there
हाँ,
to.
and he didn't, the AI didn't see the symptoms कि patient को क्या है and
Right.
she's a healthy female and कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. So I wouldn't call it wrong reporting, but चलो difference of opinion जो आया, which we had to clear out with some other testing.
Of course.
Right.
Obviously, AI has its limitations also, no? They do
Like
not
humans
come
do.
with. Yeah. We get fatigued and we have our
Yeah,
own
yeah.
limitations. So AI cannot be, I don't think so, superior to any doctor present.
At
I mean, we
present,
don't know the
yes.
future yet.
हाँ.
There's a lot more to come. But I like the fact if you are, you're aware of the AI, maybe you can use it for your work, for your PPTs or for your information, all of that.
Yes.
What else do you think about AI in this present situation that can be, helpful, or like we could learn something more of that?
I have seen voice to text
Okay.
with errors जो पहले back about I think 5 years back we were at Max Saket, तो तब radiologist had this whole system जब वो headphones लगा के mic पे अच्छे से बोलते थे अपना this scan as this
Right,
scan
right.
as this. So now I have a friend who's designed an app जिससे you just open it on your phone, you click the button, so like we're talking,
Right.
this AI will record कि डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को दर्द है 3 दिन से, मैंने सर दर्द की ये दवाई ली है, मैं ठीक नहीं हुआ, और मेरे को धूप से परेशानी है, रोशनी से परेशानी है, and all of that history he'll tell.
Yeah.
And I'll ask the normal questions. Do you have a vomiting sensation? Do you have a vision blurring? So what AI will do is it'll convert it into a medical text. वो convert करेगा, and it'll also on the side give you a differential, probable this. So here it can be a little time saving if you have to see so many patients. The voice to text से तुम्हें वो feature मिल रहा है.
Right.
And differentials में it can help you with the decision making, right?
Right.
And maybe आगे जाके integrate हो जाए कि आप इसको treatment से भी जोड़ दो कि because okay, so then it's not there yet, I mean in the system I used. So if you click okay, I'm thinking in terms of migraine, so treatment options बताए आप इसको ये दो and then you select thinking on your clinical judgment and the
Obviously,
patient.
it can actually lead to many OPDs and
Yes, so वो
together.
बढ़ सकता है, but again everything comes with a but, है ना. So practically जब मैंने इसको use किया, grammatical errors थे, is and the वाला. So the time I spent correcting that, उतने में मैं लिख देता उसको यार तेरे को ये है ये दवाई
या
है.
एक इंटर्न लिख देता तुम्हारे साथ.
Exactly, तो ये मतलब it is there, it
ये
is
मैंने
coming.
आईफोन में भी देखा है. We are trying
हाँ,
to
हाँ.
voice and then convert into text.
Hmm.
So I've always seen there is some lag behind it, some spelling error. Then I have to correct it again myself.
Yes.
So yeah, that can happen. I think that is something,
So,
a problematic thing that would increase your labor and time.
हाँ वही ना, you think कि ये हो जाएगा काम आसान and it's increasing your labor.
For sure.
So
yeah.
all I feel is कि बहुत ध्यान से देखना है, मतलब you have to see it with a very critical approach.
Yeah, you
मतलब
can't
it is
be just.
it is like you've got something, तुम्हें कुछ मिल गया है जो तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी हेल्प करेगा, पर उसमें गलतियां भी होंगी जो तुम ओवरलुक नहीं कर सकते.
Exactly. Obviously, if you overlook and you post it and you kind of give it to patient,
Yes,
that would not
So
be a good
that
idea.
can
So that is
change
a message that AI is just your help. Do not rely on AI for your
Correct.
work and for your answers. Okay. So what else you feel AI can help doctors in, that you are reading it every day, that could change their practice or maybe add in their practice? what do you feel extra can be done in AI? Like we have a generative AI, we are waiting for an agentic
Agentic
one to
AI.
come, and we already know AI can make errors, but with our supervision, we can, I mean, re-identify it. But what do you feel it can does for doctors, as in help in doctors' work more? I mean, differentials it can give, patient's history it can give. But what else you feel it can
See,
help?
again, coming from a medical background, no, I feel this is about it. Maybe taking more clinical notes. कि हम rounds पे जो discuss करें for IPD
Oh
patients,
yeah,
it can
yeah.
generate notes. But the robotic surgeries that we
I
know that,
actually wanted to come to that. Yeah,
so
robotic surgeries. That's all
we
AI
should have a surgeon with
function.
us too on board. But yeah,
Yeah.
what I feel is कि robotics पे वैसे ही you're seeing everything on a screen, no? So if you can somehow integrate the screen with all the videos and previously recorded images that we have, even if you're doing a simple surgery or you want to locate a vessel and with predefined anatomy, obviously with the given errors, तो अगर कुछ ऐसा है जो we can detect कि you
Right.
have to go here or you have to go here. And I read a joke on this कि a neurosurgeon was there, he was doing his OT, middle of the OT, ChatGPT बंद हो गई. He's like, I'm stuck, अब मैं क्या करूँ?
Oh my
So we shouldn't go to
God.
that level कि हम इतने dependent हो जाए. But yeah, I believe that is the future, because tough anatomical structures जो हमें नहीं पता चल रहे है ना,
Right.
मतलब we can't remember everything, but out of experience we know 9 out of 10 things, and maybe we get stuck somewhere and we're doing a surgery and we have a backup, again as a backup.
Yeah, yeah.
So वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो it
But
can
we'll
help in
still
that.
have to have our own knowledge of that anatomy.
वो तो मतलब that is
Must
given, वो तो
है.
है ही, and वो I believe is till going till the end, even
Right.
for our
That
future
will keep you
generations.
always up to
That will
mark.
keep you safe, up to date. You're right.
So I like this fact when you said कि मतलब वो AI की help से you cannot do surgeries and you can't depend on
No,
that.
no, no. You can't do surgeries at the moment. You can't do surgeries. You can't treat patient. You can't self-treat. Not at all. I would like to tell my patients so many. खुद से treatment नहीं करना.
Of course, you
Mental
don't
illness में कुछ नहीं.
know.
मतलब you don't know. मैं बता रहा हूँ again migraine का एक patient, migraine prophylaxis. मैंने list 1 to 5 पूछी. Simple beta blocker नहीं था उस list में. मैंने कहा you missed a beta blocker.
Oh my God.
कहता oh I was seeing other patient scenarios, and फिर now there is a revised list where it has a beta blocker.
But if there's someone who does not know about it, he would make a big mistake in it.
Exactly.
So I
इतना
think
इतना trend आ रहा है ना कि everybody is using it, so it's so rampant. We have to have
Yeah.
some watch on it कि ध्यान से करो यार, मतलब करो पर ध्यान से करो.
I mean, you need to have your full knowledge, experience, and
Yes.
have your seniors by your side. You
हाँ,
just
we had our
can't
seniors.
depend.
ये भी एक
We
बात
had
है.
our seniors.
We had somebody who had more knowledge than us, जिससे हम पूछते थे, है ना?
Right.
मतलब टेक्स्ट बुक्स तो
And
obviously.
patients को तो बिल्कुल नहीं करना चाहिए. I will not agree to it any day because they do not know what is right and wrong. It's still a computer, right?
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
It
हाँ,
does not
at
know.
the end of the day, it's a computer.
Yeah,
Correct.
it's still a computer.
हाँ.
How do they know what is? And
Yes.
whatever patient treatment you give, I'm sure it's
हाँ.
tailored depending on the
Yes.
patient age,
Yes.
sex, their symptoms, mild,
हाँ.
moderate, severe, so many
Correct.
things.
Yes.
But they don't know that.
हाँ.
How will they
क्योंकि
type in all that?
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि द अगेन इसमें लिम्बिक सिस्टम आ जाता है कि जिस तरीके से पेशेंट हमें सिम्टम्स बताएगा, है ना, दिल टेल विल असेस ना कि दिस इज अ सिवियर हेडेक.
Right.
नाउ इफ इट राइट्स आई हैव अ हेडेक, तो वो तो एक स्टैंडर्ड ट्रीटमेंट, ये ट्रीटमेंट है, ये है, खत्म.
So who's going to evaluate
Exactly.
it to
So
that
I'll
level?
tell you कि you have to take the painkiller twice or maybe thrice. You have a very severe headache. You need another medicine with a painkiller.
And
So
one more
that
thing
is
I
there.
feel, Dr. Raghav, when you see a patient thrice, you know that two treatments have failed. Maybe
Yes.
some reason, patient reason, compliance, or maybe it's not hitting the right spot. And then you know what to change. But
Yes.
ChatGPT, how does it? I mean,
हाँ,
AI
change the
can't do
treatment.
that,
Yeah,
right?
you're right. And compliance, हाँ यार, this I never thought. Patients always lie. They won't tell us कि मैंने यार कल रात को ड्रिंक कर ली थी, दवाई नहीं खाई. तुम्हें पूछना पड़ता है. Did you have your medicine last
Like
night?
epilepsy, you know, it's all about
So many,
compliance and
It
lifestyle,
happened yesterday only. रात को ड्रिंक कर ली, डॉक्टर साहब दवाई नहीं खाई, दौरा पड़ गया. So
right? And AI इसमें क्या करेगा?
क्या
actually?
करेगा? हाँ, मतलब it won't ask a leading question. हो क्या तुमने अपनी दवाई खाई टाइम पे? I don't know. Maybe later on when you
Maybe,
actually have a
yeah.
full robot with doing this agentic AI thing,
We don't
ये
know
भी वो
that
करे.
yet, yeah.
So
But currently, I feel, I mean, AI can only be useful if you are using it and you know about it.
if a skilled person is using it, so I
Yeah.
believe for doctors it is very good. क्योंकि हमने पढ़ाई करी हुई है,
It
so
can
we
help
know
you.
कि
It
now
can
we'll ask
help
this
you.
question.
Yeah.
हाँ, like I maybe treating a Bell's palsy, or someday I'm forgetting a dose, and I'm like, I know this is the disease, this is the this. What is the medicine and what is the dose?
right.
And then maybe I verify it with an article or with a textbook. तो वो उससे थोड़ी help मिल सकती है.
No, definitely.
That is
Any day we know the anatomy, physiology, pharmacology so well,
Yes.
we could do it. But someone who comes with no experience of it treating, how will they do it?
And to integrate all of them together, so that is also a task.
I
ये सारी
agree
साथ
to
में.
you. How would you like to summarize this for people who are watching this episode and they are thinking to upload anything on ChatGPT and know what is happening to them in terms of diseases and weight loss, their treatment?
Weight loss also, yes.
Yeah. So what do you feel you
So
would want to say?
initially to chalo, it was AI and doctors. So we can do it AI versus the population. It is not even AI versus doctors or AI against doctors or
Yeah,
AI
yeah.
against the common population. It is AI with people, AI with doctors, and a combined effort where you have AI also, you have doctors, you have your personal knowledge also. Do it, करो. The more मतलब feed good data into it, so उससे हमें अच्छे inputs मिलेंगे. But do it with the help of a skilled professional so that you get the best output, right?
Yeah.
And don't overuse it. That is also
course.
very important. You remember this MIT study, it came out recently.
Yeah.
It was not related to medicine, but वो essays लिखने वाली बात थी. So they were like कि essays लिखो. And now we are so used to it. मतलब essays लिखने पे स्टूडेंट्स को थीसिस बनाने में
Right.
मतलब they'll be like copy paste, even they'll put something and they'll like copy और ये बना गया. मतलब बहुत because to save time.
क्रिएटिव राइटिंग तो बहुत कम हो जाएगी.
हाँ, so अपनी creativity खत्म.
बिल्कुल.
So जो न्यू रिसर्च आ रही है, मतलब वी रिमेंबर आर कंसल्टेंट्स, मतलब कितना हमसे एक एक केस का सारा सैम्पलिंग करा के सब करते थे. सो देन वील बिकम सो डिपेंडेंट कि सब कुछ इजीली हो रहा है. सो न्यू थिंकिंग या क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग विल गो.
Of course.
That was
And
there in
even
that study.
MIT की स्टडी बिल्कुल ठीक बता रही है कि क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग तो खत्म ही हो जाएगी. क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, राइटिंग योरसेल्फ, मेकिंग दोज मिस्टेक्स एंड देन लर्निंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. So you're using AI तो आपका तो बिल्कुल वो पैराग्राफ राइटिंग वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
वही तो कह रहे हैं कि मतलब सारे गैजेट्स हटा दिए और बोला लिखो. So the people who were not using AI, they did so well. मतलब they did normal जितना सब करते हैं. And the AI people, they were like, अब मैं क्या करूं? अब मतलब कि हाथ में मेरे हाथ से क्या निकल गया?
Of course.
So ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए यार. I believe for doctors जो न्यूरोसर्जन OT के बीच अब मैं क्या करूं? ये वाला किसी के साथ नहीं आना चाहिए. That we become so dependent कि अब वो हमारे पास नहीं है. Now what? Like system downtime हो गया. दो घंटे या 2 दिन के लिए नहीं चला. Then we are like यार अब क्या करें? So that is also something that we have to be very careful. So don't overuse also. That is another message कि अपनी thinking को, अपने prefrontal cortex, अपने limbic system को साथ साथ चलाते रहो. Use it as your help, as your intern, but do your own.
I mean, it is helping lot of brands, lots of people in their work to make softwares and CRMs and everything. But at the same time, medical field में तो it is a complete no that you depend on AI.
डिपेंड वाला तो इज अ कंप्लीट नो. एज अ हेल्प यूज कर लो, एज अ सेकंड ओपिनियन यूज कर लो,
Right.
डॉक्टर्स के साथ यूज कर लो, बट डोंट जस्ट यूज
Rely
इट.
on it.
हाँ, रिलाई ऑन. करेक्ट.
So I think we have put together a very good conversation, which is need of the hour.
Yeah.
Because I see everywhere AI is there and people are like, doctors are against AI. So I'm sure in this conversation we're not against AI. We're just
Nahin,
trying to
haan.
say that AI is good if you're using it correctly, but do not use it for medicines.
Yes. So don't self, for the general population, don't self use it for medicines at all. कि वहाँ पे देखी दवाई फार्मेसी से खरीदी. And the positive reinforcement is कि ठीक हो जाओगे. मतलब अगर 10 लोगों ने दवाई की, हो सके 2 या 3 ठीक हो जाए. एंड वो जो 8 लोग ठीक नहीं हुए, they won't say anything, but those 2 people will portray, यार मैं तो इससे ठीक हो गया, आप भी ट्राई करो.
Actually.
Because it's something new and people are excited. So
वो मतलब वो बहुत important है कि वो 2 लोग की बात की वजह से वो actually में it should not hinder the 8 people who.
Exactly. Like a stat, हम p value देखे तो यार 10 में से 2 तो वैसे प्लेसिबो से भी ठीक हो जाते हैं.
प्लेसिबो से भी ठीक हो जाते हैं.
So
of course.
you shouldn't rely on it.
Yeah.
Maybe later on, मतलब when you have that agent with it's like a full blown robot and a doctor only, जिसकी knowledge इतनी है कि वो कर दे, तो we don't know that.
That's future. We don't know
future.
yet.
We don't know that yet.
Presently, though, I'm not sure there's anyone who can treat other than a doctor with the experience and with the tailored approach. They can only just list few things. They really can't treat it. But yeah, thank you so much. I think it was a good session where we could discuss more and more in detail about AI.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
sure, and we'll continue. I mean, this
Of
human to
course.
human talk is very important, so we'll continue that.
Yeah, human to human talk is
है
also
ना,
important,
and
and I'm
ऐसा ही ना आगे हम
sure
robot से ही बात कर रहे हो, so yeah.
that can also happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
And with this conversation, I hope people will get benefited. They would know
Yes,
what to do
yes.
and what not to do,
Ah,
and they should not self medicate, or they
that's
should not
true.
question doctors on the part that we saw this on ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be wrong, guys. It cannot be right all the time.
Yes.